Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wahpinas.com, and we're doing a quick unboxing of something that I saw a friend order. It's a robot 3-in-1 vacuum cleaner thingy. 3-in-1 intelligent sweeper robot cleaning and floor cleaning. We bought this for 1,217 pesos on Shopee. And ang may kasamlanam ay si Jaja Ramirez, a friend of mine who's a lifestyle blogger. You can follow her on YouTube. I don't think she has YouTube, but I'm pretty sure she has Facebook. Her Facebook page, just look for it, Jaja Ramirez Alonso, because she's married already. Okay? Also on Instagram, so you can find her. Okay, so tanggalin lang natin, medyo mahirap. Okay. Medyo bugbog po ang box kasi galing siyang China. Okay. Here. Yan po ang itsura ng box. Medyo nagutay-gutay po sa biyahe. Yan, okay. Sana hindi nasira yung loob. So we're gonna open it now. Op, mahulog ang telepono. Okay. Masikip po ang mesa ko. Okay, yan. So there's a product certificate, okay? There's the actual unit. There's this thing that I don't know what it is, and other parts, okay? Anything else? Nothing else in the box, so we're gonna remove the box from the table. Boom! Hindi ko sinira po, huwag kayong magalit. Okay? There's the actual unit itself. Meron po siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na pakpak na panglinis, okay? I assume that's a battery port. To siguro takip, okay. So pantakip siya ng gulong. It's supposed to cover the front wheel, okay. Includes a screwdriver, I guess, to remove that. And from what I know, this is what you do here. You put it there. So you wet this down and then it can partially clean your floors. Okay, so it has a rechargeable battery, okay. So close it again. Turn it around, okay. Plug. And the cord is a USB charger, so we're gonna plug it here in. And it's charging. So there's no power, or it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work when it's charging. Okay. The top looks like this is the dustbin, so I guess this is where all the dirt is supposed to go. We're gonna try it out and then we're gonna let you know. We're gonna put it outside of the room and then we're gonna update this video. Okay, wait. We'll be back. Oh. So hi guys, here we have it now on the floor. We already wet the basahan. As you can see, the floor is wet. It's walking around. Oh, nawala talaga yung dumi. Nakuha niya. I can see it picking up all the dirt, the hairs and all the stuff. So hi guys, we let the little boy run around for about a minute or two. This is what happened to the bottom. See? Dirt, hair. Not mine, of course, because I don't have hair anymore, okay? So this is most likely my other people's hair in the house. Okay, as you can see, the cloth is a bit dirty. Okay, well, I'm gonna try to remove the hair first so it doesn't get stuck up. So I guess that's gonna be a problem because the hair might get stuck in the rotating stuff. Okay, see, it was able to get a lot of hair. Okay, so we'll clean that up. Okay, we'll turn it around, open this top, and see what we can see. Okay, so this is the dustbin. Okay, so there's some dirt there, and it's able to pick up all this dirt, and some of the hair actually went in. So good job, little guy. So for 1,217 pesos, I guess it's good enough. The only concern that we have right now is how long will it actually survive. Okay, so we'll find out. We'll keep on using it and then we'll post an update. Thanks guys, bye.